Hey everybody, it's me, I'm back. Hey, so I've been a bit busy this last month and what's that? Anyway, it seems to be a trend that I'm busy. It seems to be a trend. Anyway, no more blabbing, there's not a lot of drawings this month, but I'll just show you them. Just a quick thing, you saw some of a drawing last time, I finished it, but if you want to see it, then I just want to say that I have drawn blood. There's not real blood, but blood that have been drawn with pencil. So if you don't like that, skip to this point. If you like that, or if you don't care, well then I'll just find it. That's the result. Yeah. It's Sisa, and there's blood. That is relating to her backstory. If you wanna ask for a backstory, do that in the comments. I'm not gonna tell you it here. This next drawing is of a new character. Say hello to Artsy. The set is set in a German way. You can see his name how it's spelled right there. The set is set in a German way, and if you don't know how Germans say the Z, they say ts, a TS sound, so it's Artsy. Get it? Because it also sounds like the word artsy. Next drawing. So this next one is a bit interesting. The colors are a bit faded for some reason, but if you can see what it is, it might help if I dim the lights or something. But anyway, it's Dakota on a cliff looking out over the water. Yellow right there is the beach. I like it, but I think I need to recolor some of it because it's faded a bit for some reason. Yeah, anyway, next drawing. Another new character. This one I have designed together with my twin brother. So all the information is not written in because I've not decided it with him yet. But some of the things about this character has been written down. This is Lexo. You can see the information that is there, and then most of the rest of the stuff is not filled in. I like how it looks. I like it. On this next one, it's one you haven't seen in a while, maybe a month or two. This is, you might remember who this is. I'll give you a second. It's Enna, which is Greek for the number 1. You might remember seeing Enna before in one of the previous ones. This is the second time I've drawn Enna. Now for this next one, I tried doing something I haven't done before. Can you guess what it is? I tried drawing one with its mouth open. It's good old Dakota again. I'm not sure if I like it or not. Eat my finger. Nom. Now this last one is not finished. It's this one. Now this is a character you have seen before, but since the colors are not on and not very clear at this moment, I'll just say it. This is a character that I've been here before that I have not given a name to yet. It's this one. Yeah, as you can see, that is the newest one. Nothing else. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm hoping to see you next month. See ya.